Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 2024. This is going to be the first video I do. Uh, I'm going to continue on. I'm actually going to install the supercharger in these set of videos. I got myself new lighting, so we're going to be able to see this a little bit better. I got myself a new mic. Hopefully that sounds better as well. I'm sorry I haven't been on in a while. It's just been a little busy with work and being tired, but that's done. I'm going to start getting this. We got so many projects going on, so this is going to be the first one to get out of here. One of the first things I'm going to do is take out this bumper cover, the front grille, disconnect the hoses for the radiator, and take out the radiator. That way I can reach the crank. We got to set a crank pin on there, so it's going to be the easiest way to do it. And from there, we're just going to keep going. Right now it's 19 degrees outside. It feels like 8. Have my little heater on. So we're just going to get this. All right, guys. So I was supposed to have the grill off pretty easy, but stuff just happens, and kind of pissed about it. It snapped off. So I'm gonna tell my brother a new grill, and I'll get it for him. It was something I wasn't trying to do. I was even taking it slow and making sure I got it out without pulling everything, just little bit by little bit. But it happens. So I'm just gonna continue on from there. So I already got the air intake off. That was pretty easy. Um, and I proceeded not to take off the bumper cover because I'm afraid it might crack in. I don't want to go through that right now. But I was looking at this. I'm not sure you can see that hose for the that's the thermostat. To the radiator. I know they have done they redone it, but who? I'm not sure you can see it. Who doesn't put the clamps easy to reach? Like they're facing down. I don't know why though. Who does that? So I went ahead and got the radiator out. There we go. It wasn't too bad. Since these do have the electric fans, it is easy. Electric fans are out. Then the radiator is out. But there we go. My next step is gonna be taking off the condenser. It's just right there. Two of them. Take that off with the bolts and unbolt for the headlights. And after that, it should just come off and just unbolt this so I can move this around, and that way it's out of the way. And I should be able to get in there after that. After that, I can start adding some of the stuff like the new thermostat. I remember it was the housing as well, and the new pulley system on this side. Get them all off, and that'll be that. So I'm gonna continue working on this on another day, but I'm gonna get right on it. So I did get the AC condenser off. It's off right there, and I put it right there. I'm covering up all the holes because I don't want any dust going in there. So I'll probably put like a bag over it for the moment. Right now it's still building pressure. We're still spinning it out. Took out the thermostat with the thermostat housing because that's gonna get replaced with a new one. See, it's straight right here, and this one's turned. And I also got the new thermostat. I had one lying around from the last project. And then I would install the head plate right here, but I want to clean that up just a little bit before I put it on there. I'm not gonna have dirt in there, but I'll put it on here a little bit. And I just gotta take off this one right here, or move it out of the way to redirect it somehow. to get into right here, so I can do the crank pulley kit right here, or crank pin kit. Sorry. It's just so we won't mess with us. We'll just do it. You know how it is. If you get mad, it's just gonna get worse. So I'm not gonna do that right now. But other than that, that's it at the moment. As I do more on this install, I'll let y'all know. Oh, and by the way, if y'all saw my shorts, y'all did see that I broke my brother's grill. Um, he did come by one day. He just said, "That's fine. We'll fix it, get it replaced." Um, th- that's just the thing. Sometimes it just doesn't come out perfect. But oh well. But I am gonna help him out with that, and I will keep on installing this. So I went ahead and finished installing that little bracket here. And the hardest one was that bolt on the back, but it was manageable. So I got that. So the next thing is I'm gonna install is this other accessory bracket. Um, I do have to take off this tensioner pulley, which is pretty easy, one bolt, and then install it with these, and that should be it. And then I can add the other stuff back on and get ready for the supercharger install, which again, it's not that's hard. Um, I did get myself another drill so I can drill that out. Let me see if I can show you. So I went ahead and got a Milwaukee. It was a little expensive, but it was worth it. It's worth it. So as soon as I start doing that, I'll let you know how that goes. So I already got this mounted up. I had to take off the actually pulley wheel and this pulley tension assembly, to in order to get everything through, because I had to install two of these, and then I had to install this on here. As I was doing that, however, I was getting close. This one lost a spacer, and who knows where it went. I looked everywhere. I looked at the bottom. I did everything, and it's just not pop up. But yeah, maybe later it'll pop up, and I'll just switch it out real quick. But for now, that's just gonna be. I put another solution on there, so it should button up well. Um, and now I am ready to actually install this. So this is the next step I'm gonna do. I haven't done the crank pin kit yet, but I'm getting there. I just want to install this first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. That shouldn't be too hard. Once I get it all set, that goes on there, and that'll pretty much be the end of this video, because I still got to get the intercooler, and I still got to get the piping kit. And one more thing I'm probably gonna do is I am probably gonna order a oil catch can. Just for further on later on. And that should be it. After that, I should be able to button everything up, and it should be done. We should have it running within that time, and just get a quick tune, and we're set. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I got a lot accomplished. The only thing I haven't done is crank the pin, but that's a pretty easy move. But I already got all this. So I already got the bolt already loosened. I just gotta do the crank pin kit, but that won't be so hard. And then after that, I just gotta wait for the intercooler and the piping and the oil catch can. And I mean, that'll be a little difficult because I still gotta make everything fit. But other than that, this is pretty much it. And hopefully on the next video, I'll have most of it complete already. And maybe on the video after that, I might have it starting up. So just keep watching, guys, and it's gonna get better.